Yes, hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. Yeah, in case you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Yes, we are somewhere here. Yes, we're coming live and clear from the village. Yeah, sitting somewhere here. Let me show you. I'm sitting somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sitting somewhere here, and today's on Sunday. Yeah, it's on Sunday. I'm doing this video on Sunday, and I'm just relaxing here. It's evening. It's the time is 5:30. Yeah, it's 5:30, and I'm just here. So guys, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like my video, share. I really appreciate it. So on the other hand, there you have those amazing trees, and me, I am just here. Yeah, just here. So I'm from town. I'm from I went to pick my brother, so then he's already at home, so he went with the motorbike. So me, I decided to go by foot. Yeah, so we are here. This is the village. I'm somewhere here. My eyes are giving me problems. Yeah, so let me just show you around, guys. Then I'll come and tell you a story. I have a story to tell, because someone has a lot of music somewhere. Let's just go for a walk. Then we come back. We're heading to this side. It rained yesterday, not that much, but at least it rained. We thank God. We're hoping for the best. Yeah, we're so blessed. You see everywhere trees around, and yeah. In the morning I passed here and we had people washing clothes somewhere there. Yeah, we had people washing clothes somewhere here. Yeah, so this is the river, the trees. I don't want to go that side because there's some boys there. I don't want to risk. Yeah. Me, I am here. I was sitting somewhere there, that big. You see that? Yeah. We have music. That's because we had music somewhere there. I had to post a video. The water, like the rain, it rained yesterday. You see somewhere here. It's wet, so we're hoping for the rain to come, yeah. But I'm from that side. Then I went to the river there. I went to sit somewhere. Yeah. Sit somewhere. We do a small video, then we go home. Yeah, I am here. It's not clear because of the direction of the sun. You hear? Yeah, so guys, I'm here, and I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I I want to tell you something. How is life since I moved to the village? Life is good, but we are struggling. We are struggling. But again, you see, like they say in the village, like everything is cheap. That is true, because something like vegetables, you get some from like direct from the garden. Yeah. Right now we have a lot. We have maize. I want to do something. I want to do farming, but the land which I want to do some farming, we have some maize, so I have to wait for it to. We remove it, then we're going to start a mega project. So village life is good. The weather is amazing. Everything is amazing. Not a lot of noise like in town. Yeah, we don't buy anything. Like, okay, we buy some things, but things like, you see when you are in Nairobi, or for example when you are in town, you need to buy everything, including matchbox, everything. But here, we get some of the things from the garden, very fresh from the garden. Yeah, from the garden. We are good, like this water here. You see here. Few minutes ago we had some boys washing clothes here. Like you, if you want to wash your clothes, you carry them, you come wash them here, you put them somewhere to dry, you carry them home, very clean. But when you, like if you are in town, you have to buy water. You have to buy this water. Like you have to buy everything. Yeah, but in the village, you don't buy like water. That's free. So again, let me say, like in the village, like there's peace of mind sometimes, yeah. Sometimes as well. Like you can come and sit somewhere like here, yeah, and do what, and meditate. Yeah. Compared to town, like town is noise everywhere, but we thank God. So that's how it's still, guys. It has never been easy, but again, there's when it comes like for us YouTubers, you see when it rains, like if it starts raining now, like for continuously, the network will be very low, very low. Network is very low. Like the other day, I was uploading a video, 6 good hours, and it never went through. I used like 200 Kenyan shillings uploading one video, and it never went through because of the network. The network was on and off. Yeah, but that is how village life. And another thing is like the lights. Sometimes when it rains, the lights goes. You see in the village, even if the lights goes for 1 week, nobody cares. Like in my home, we lost power like this is the second week. It just came yesterday. So that is the challenge, yeah. So yeah. Life has not been easy, guys, since we moved to the village. We are really struggling, but again we thank God for everything. You see, like everything has a reason. Everything has a reason. And someone is building a very nice house there. Yeah? Very nice apartment here. Yeah, so that is it. But in the village, no job opportunities. You have to struggle, yeah? You have to really work hard. If sometimes like somebody gives you like a contract from the land, or like everything is hard. But okay, life is cheaper here. Like we don't buy some of the stuffs, but we're getting like if you want to search for a job in the village, getting a job is really hard. Yeah, it's very hard. You guys, subscribe to the channel. I've done so many videos today. I went to pick my brother. He already went home. But me, I said, let me just go by foot, and I do videos for you guys. I wanted to go to the other side, but we have some boys there. Maybe I don't want trouble. And it's like they're smoking something. So guys, that is. We thank God it rained yesterday. At least if it rains like 1 full week, some people will start planting. Yeah. But in my home, we are almost harvesting. Probably in 2 weeks' time, we'll be harvesting maize. But maize did not work this time round. A lot of disappointments. I want to turn my camera like this. Okay. The water is so clean today. Very, very clean. See that? Very clean. You see like water like this. You get some free of charge in the village. We don't pay anything. And no one will ask you. Like in the morning we came and collected some stones from down there. We were building something at home. We collected stones from that part. Yeah. Collected stones. Yeah, so guys, I think I should end this video here. But I need to cross. I need to go home. I need to go home. And again, the water is super cold. You guys, please subscribe to my channel, support me. We need to start traveling, but again, yeah, I am here. It's fine. We need to start traveling, but again, guys, we need to try to boost the channel, yeah? So, please support me by subscribing to my channel, like my videos, share. I really appreciate it. Yeah? Also, when you watch, just leave a comment down below and watch the video to the end. That is one way of supporting me. I am here. So, I'm going home. It's almost 6. I don't want to be late, so where am I heading to now? I need to pass here. Yeah, we collected. Let me show you. We collected this, like this small stones. My camera. These ones. We collected like so many of them. These ones. The ones I sing down here. We're building something in my home. Yeah. I think we should end this video here. Or what do you think? Yeah, so guys. The sun is going down, you see. Yeah, so guys, let me just end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Yeah, like my videos and watch my videos to the end, guys. You see, when you watch the videos, YouTube tends to recommend the video to larger audience. Yeah, so please subscribe and watch. Yeah, you can also donate to the channel, guys. And also you can support me by joining my membership. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.